So in this video I will guide you how you can create a TonKeeper Ton wallet. So let's start by opening up our TonKeeper. You can simply download it from your App Store or Play Store. It's completely free. Then you're just gonna need to click on this create new wallet and simply enter the new pin of your particular wallet. Once you are done, you're just gonna need to make sure to click on enable notifications, and there you have it. We have successfully logged into TonKeeper account. Now if you want to receive or send your Ton coin, you can simply click on the send button, and then you're just gonna need to enter the address and the comments. If you want to receive, you're just gonna need to click on it, and then you're gonna need to click on the copy and send to the particular person from which you are receiving your Ton coin. Other thing is, if you want to furthermore customize your wallet, you can simply click on it and you can add the colors, and you can add the wallet name as well. Now these are the basic thing, but make sure to click on the backup and click on the backup manually, because this is going to provide you a recovery phase. If you lost your account, you will have the recovery phase and you can simply log in back to your TonKeeper account. So you need to make sure to back up your TonKeeper account. Next up is we have currency. We can select any of these currencies according to your country. Another thing is we have battery and wallet W5, which is in the particular beta version. So I don't recommend you to go for it right now if you are a complete beginner. As for the theme, you can simply select according to your will. As for the searches, you can simply select Google or DuckDuckGo, whatever you prefer. Then we don't have much here. You have delete account option. So that's the way of how you can create a TonKeeper Ton wallet.